This assignment is called the Basic Excel Tutorial. We're going to do about half of it together, and then you will be doing the rest on your own. So you should already have Excel open, and we need to open our blank workbook. And then the first thing we're going to do is get this saved in our server folder. So it's been a while since we've done that, so we're going to go to File, Save As, then click Browse. On the left side, navigate to Computer. Click on that, and then you're going to want to open up your server folder. And if you have a folder for this class, great, save it in there, and we're calling it Basic Excel Tutorial. Okay, so the first cell we're going to click in is A2. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see better. Okay, so in cell A2, we're going to type in deduction, calculations for employees. And hit enter. And then go down to cell A8. And in A8, we are going to type in last name and enter down to A9. And so these are all names, so make sure you use appropriate capital letters. So Smith space B period, enter. Then Wilson space C period, enter. In A11, Thompson space J period. And in A12, James space D period, and enter. Then we're going to go and click in B4 and type in date, colon is the 2 dots. Then go down to B6. We're going to type in deduction rate with the colon and enter. And then in B8, gross salary and enter. And then now in B9, we're going to be typing in some numbers. We're not going to type in any commas or periods, just straight the number. So our first number is 45789. Enter. Then 41245. Enter. In B11, 39876. And in B12, 43211. Then we're going to go up to C6 and type in 0.06. And it might automatically add in the other decimal and 0 and whatnot. That's fine. Then click in C8 and type in deduction. And in D8, net salary. And so now what you we'll need to do is just look at getting some things resized now that we have some information typed in. It doesn't all work. And so what your main focus, kind of the math part of this, is figuring out how much did each of these people take home in their pay. So you'll go through the formulas and a few other things to do. Make sure when you have it all done, you hit save again. And then there is the Schoology assignment to turn in. So when the sub gives you the handout, you are ready for page 3 of this. with the number 1. If anything doesn't kind of make sense, just try and ask a neighbor because you should be able to get this completed during this class period, no problem.